Hello, in this video I will explain an example of a function in Python. This is the example, this is the question. Create a function with default argument. Write a program to create function. This is the name of the function. Using the following conditions, there is two conditions. There is two forms of this function. The first form can take two parameters, the second form can take one parameter. First of all, I will explain what is function. Function is a mathematical operation or logic operation. Can take inputs and can take outputs. The inputs can be more than inputs. Can be several inputs, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. The output should be one, just only one. This is the output. Forgive me for my font, and this is input. The input also called parameters, parameters. The output also called return value. So each function have parameters and have return value. For example, we can make a function called sum. This function can take as input two numbers, n1 and n2, and return back the result of summation of these two numbers. This function can take the inputs, which is n1 and n2, and make a summation process, n1 plus n2, and make the summation and return back the results. Our life is based on functions. Each one of us have a function. So the functions in Python and in programming in general is the same idea. In Python, we can make several functions with the same name exactly, but with different parameters. For example, we can make a function called sum. Takes two parameters, n1 and 2, and return back one output, which is the result. And also we can make the same function named sum, which is sum, but takes three parameters, n1, n2, n3, and also return back the result. They are different functions, but with the same name. We can make two functions with the same name, but with different parameters, inputs. How to make functions in Python? Let's see how to make functions in Python. By the way, function, we can create the function one time. Create the function one time, but we can call it several times. And this is the main point of the functions anyway. This is the code, this is the answer of the question. How to create a function? Just write def. This is an abbreviation of the word define, and then the name of the function, show employee. After that, we will put two brackets. In the two brackets, we will put the parameters. There is two parameters. In this function, there is two parameters. The first parameter is the name of the function. This function, show employee, is just printing the employee information. So the parameters are the name of the employee and the salary of the employee. And the function, what it will do? The function will just print the name and salary. This is it. But here, you can notice that the second parameter, salary, equals 9,000. What is it? The meaning of this is that this is the default value of this parameter. This meaning that if the programmer, when he called the function show employee, if he didn't put any parameter here, if he didn't put the salary at all, so the default value of the salary will be 9,000. Okay, this is the definition of the function. Where is the call? The call is under that. This is the first call of function, and this is the second call of function. The first call of function, they are here calling the function show employee and give it two parameters. The first parameter is the name. So the name is string anyway. This is the name of the parameter. The second parameter is salary. Salary is anyway is an integer. This is the first function call. The second function call here, they are calling the function show employee and just passing one parameter, just one input. This is the name of the employee. Where is the salary? Here we cannot we can put no salary. So the default salary will be, the default value of the salary will be 9,000. What is the output of this function, or of this code? I will copy this code and go to compiler. I will choose here and run. The output will be, this is the output. Why this is the output? Because the first call of show employee is just passing Ben and 12,000. So it will print name, Ben, salary, 12,000. The other call, the second call of show employee is just giving it the name. So it will print name, Jesse, salary, 9,000. Why? Because when we will pass just the name, the function will put a default value of the salary, will give it 9,000 and print it 9,000. And this is it. And thank you very much.